analog clock with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So some of my camera has been not been shown, but it's okay. Anyway, I'm going to do the screen share, so it doesn't matter. I was just doing a Zoom call because of that might be some issue. So this is the beautiful analog clock. Yesterday we made the digital clock, very good digital clock, and today it's time for an analog clock, and it is much more beautiful than this. It is having some very good techniques, and see, if I move my mouse over it, it will just hide it. Not much thing, but it will hide it, and fully functional. The timing is showing exactly correct. So let us start now. Okay, so what I have here, just an empty folder with clock analog code. We open it with VS Code, and then okay, and the clock I will come index.html I'll do. Okay, and style.css I'll do. Okay, index.html I'll go, and as usual, like this, and I'll do this, and let me name analog clock. Okay, and link will be style.css, and rest is okay. But before even going there, let us have something here so that we can see it. Okay, increase the font size a bit so that it is much more viewable in the mobile screen also. So dot clock I'll do, and then I'll have the three things like hour, and inside the hour I will have a dot hr and hash hr, because we're soon going to use it. Okay, like this we are going to have dot min and dot min and hash min, like this, dot sec and dot sc hash sc we are going to have. So all this we are going to have. Let me save it, and now let me also open it with live server. Open with live server. Okay, so anyways nothing will be shown. Anyways they're just bunch of divs, so nothing will be shown. So let us come to our css, and here as usual margin of 0 will take, and then padding of 0 will take, and then box sizing is border box as usual will take this, and then after that let's get some styling with the body is display, our favorite display, which is the flex display will do, and then justify content is center, and align item is center. So this is how we center everything, and also we have to give a min height. So this actual min height is also required, or else it doesn't center. 100 vertical height, and background is hash 9 hash 091921. Black is kind of the color which we have. Save it, and so the color is there. Okay, now we are going to give this clock something. Okay, this clock will come here, and then dot clock I'm going to do, and width width is of 350 px, height is of 350 px, display is of flex, and justify content is of center, align item is of center, and background is of. So we will take the background from a image is there. So let us take the background from an image, and for that I have to include that image. So reveal in file explorer, and I will copy that image which I have already have. So image I have copied. So now the image we have, which let me show the image. So image is like this, all 1 2 3 4, all these things are there in the image. So these all things, and this is a png image, so it's transparent. So it will come background url, and this clock.png I will write, and then save it, and see, like this it will come, and then background size is cover, and border is 4px solid hash 09. What, same thing which we have, it is like same thing. And then border radius is 50%. Save it. So it is coming like this. Now I will have the box shadow. It will be 0 15. So this box shadow will do the magic. 15px RGBA, and it will be 255 comma 255 comma 255 comma 0.5, and we'll have some more box shadow here. So that is what creates the magic here. And then after that, inset 0 minus 15px 15px and RGBA 0.05. Save it. So after that, 0 15px 15px RGBA and 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0.3. After that, I will have another inset 0 15px 15px and RGBA 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0.3, and we are done. Save it, and now we have got the effect. All the effect we have gone. Now just we'll create a hover class, hover clock of hover. Okay, So however we'll do content like this. Position is absolute, width is 15 px, height is 15 px, and background is we'll try to change the box shadow later on. Border radius, let us complete it. Border radius is 50%, and z index is more. So like this. So now it is just, it is not showing anymore. Okay, so now let us have those hands. So this clock, hour, min and sec we have to do. Dot clock dot hour, comma, dot clock dot min, comma, dot clock and dot sec, and we have to give a position absolute because we are going to move it. So position absolute is there. Then dot clock hour, we are targeting this. So dot clock hour and comma dot hr, it is width of 160 px and height of 160 px. Save it. Okay, then we'll do the same thing for min. Our min mn, width is 190, height is 190, and clock sec and sc, it is 230 and 230 px. Save it, and we have to give flex and all, then only it will show, and even the before and all those things, because that only will show the thing. Okay, so dot hr, comma dot mn, comma dot sc, dot sc, and display is of flex, and justify content is of center, and position is of absolute, and border radius is of 50%. Save it. Now dot hr will use the before, and these things only are used to show the content and all. So content position is absolute, width is 8 px, and height is 80 px. Background is hash ff105e. Z index or Z index is 10, and border radius is 6 px, 6 px 00. Save it. So HR we have been shown HR. So similarly, I'll show the MN, minute hand, content, position absolute, width is 4 px. So the sizes will differ. Width is 4 px, and the height is 90 px, and the background is hash ff. Z index will be more, one more, so that it is on top of it. So 11, so it is on top of it. And after that, this is as C before, and absolute width is 2 px, and the height is 150 px, and again it is hash fff, and Z index is 12, it is f. Okay, and this is similar. So we have all the three hands are there. Okay, all the three hands are there. Now we will be putting the JavaScript for our code. So let us put that. Let us create a new file, main.js, and we'll connect it. Script src main.js. We have connected it. Then coming to main.js, const hr. So we took id for this reason only, so that we can have document.getElement by id or whatever. So document.getElement by id will take, and we will select this our thing. So document.getElement by id our. Similarly, this is mn, and mn is, I think it is min. Okay, okay, okay. This class is different, and the id is hr, mn, and sc. So we have to select that. Okay, so we will select id. It will even it will not select hr, MN and SC. So that are IDs, and we have to select that HR, MN and SC. We will select. Then we will use the famous JavaScript set interval to set everything. Okay. So set interval we are going to do, and it will take this function let day equal to new date, not like this. Let hh equal to day dot get hours. Let equal to day dot get minutes. Okay, let equal to get dot get hours, but get hours it is into 30, and get minutes. So these are all the tricks, means which we need to do into degree, which is 6, and let ss equal to day. This enter key is not working properly. Ss equal to day dot get seconds, not into it is not into 6, it is into 6 to 6. Okay, so degree is into 6. So nothing will happen. Now we will do this HR, MN and SC. We will transform them. So HR dot style dot transform equal to template string rotate z and hs plus by 12. Okay, I missed something. Okay, this will not end here. HS is like this bracket, and it will end here because this is a template string, so it will end here, and we'll have 6 here. Okay, mn dot style dot transform equal to rotate z, and inside that, like it is already giving me 6, we'll do, and the last one will be this sc dot style dot transform rotate z, and it is ss, and this 6 we are taking, and then let me save it, and it is not working, so some issue is there. Okay, so again we have to debug it, so let's debug it again. So first thing is there, it is get element by id hr, and hr is this is okay, hr is this minute is this, and I see this, it is okay, and script tag is at the end. Okay, then set interval is there. Okay, let's do one thing. We have 6 at a lot of places. Instead of this 6, what I'm going to do, get minutes, get seconds, get into 6. Actually, const degree equal to 6. We'll do now. I'll save it. Now it is working fine. So deg we have to make, and the time is exactly same whatever is my computer time is there. And see, this one is what we have created earlier, and this one is now. So it is perfect. And now, as some people were telling, we want to bring it like this. Let's change some box shadow. And someone was telling, okay, so this white is kind of color instead of this. So I will get this nice thing. Okay, reddish kind of glow. It's much better. Reddish kind of glow instead of whitish kind of glow. So the glow change. Just the glow, we can do anything, and I'm liking this. Okay. Yeah, this is much better. Okay, so we have changed the box shadow. It is not a very different, this all things will remain same. This was the main box shadow which was there, so it is now a gray stack kind of box shadow, purplish type of box shadow, and it is looking good. And with this our we come to the end of the streaming. And because I'm doing this 100 days of code, 100 days of video challenge, so some of these videos will be very short, because I have to do some angular videos also, and they are very big. So to full this, I sometimes take inspirations as always. So with this we end the session. And please do subscribe to my channel so that I can complete this one of the toughest challenge on my life, which is 100 days of video challenge. And thank you for watching the stream. And I will see you tomorrow, because in this 100 days of videos means I'm coding daily. Thank you. Thank you.